Welcome to our guide on getting the best aim settings in Roblox Rivals. Today, we'll explore how to optimize your aim for better gameplay. First, let's understand the default aim settings. These settings can significantly impact how effectively you play. A good starting point is recognizing how they influence your gameplay. Sensitivity settings are crucial for balancing your aim. Adjusting these can help you find the right level for your playstyle. Next, adjusting the field of view, or FOV, is essential for better targeting. A wider FOV can help you spot enemies more quickly. Tuning your mouse DPI is vital for precision aiming. Find a DPI setting that feels comfortable and responsive. If you prefer playing with a controller, configuring your buttons for better aim can make a big difference. Explore the settings and find what works best for you. Testing aim assist options is crucial, as not all assists are created equal. Experiment with different settings to see what feels right. Practice makes perfect. Spend time in-game refining your settings and techniques to see real improvement. Don't forget to gather feedback from the community. Discover what configurations work best for others. Finally, here are a few extra tips to maintain your optimal aim settings. Keep experimenting and stay updated with best practices.